Goats. Hello, goats.
All right, this is Jeff hooked up. We were just taking a few casts before we were gonna do our night fishing. We just finished dinner and he is hooked up. Nice, way out there. Way out there. Oh, this is cool. Yeah. He's right out over open sand. We're a nice safe area to fight him. Oh, look at that, look at that. Those are smaller roosters chasing on the Sardina. Oh yeah. He's working them in. It's probably about 25 yards out. 30 yards, maybe a little closer. Nice. Here it comes, guys. Coming up. Oh, it's a big jack, a big Toro. He side hooked it. Took a swipe at him. Woo!
Let's get this guy in here. We'll get a couple of pictures and then get him loose.
Yeah. Turn this way. Good morning. It's August 11th. We're here at our spot in Baja. Got our camp set up down there. We got in yesterday afternoon about 10:30 and spent most of the day setting up camp. Went out, did some fishing, got some kochi and other stuff, mainly kochi. Then last night we fished just down the beach here and did pretty darn well on the night fishing, including I got a nice big burrito grunt. Jeff got a really nice Toro, Jack Creval. And what I'm showing you here is really good signs. These are gannets and they are attacking Sardina that are schooled up out there. That is just excellent. That means there's lots of bait in the water to support these birds. And what we hope that converts to is lots of Dorado for us. So in a few minutes, we're gonna head out and hit the Dorado.
Okay, so we've been trolling a little bit. We're on our way out still. And Pete has just hooked up a sweet little amberjack. Nice. So that's pretty nice.
First on the troll, rare, first for me. That's a lifetime first. Love it.
So very nice. Okay, so this here is a Mexican bonita. They make nice sashimi, decent ceviche. This one's going back. We've already got one in the bag. That's all we need for lunch. And so Pete just tossed one back as well. And then we're going to get on our way. So we're out a little bit closer to the actual Punta Popito now. And we've got, once again, a double hookup. This time on black skipjack, which is a tuna species. And there we go. We don't especially want them, so they are both going back. Bring this one in, maybe Pete can get that for us. go. We've driven down to a point that's a couple miles away from camp. This is an area, we refer to this as Pargo Point because it's a point and we've caught Pargo here. Super creative. Hey, so it's August 11th, 2021. We're down at one of our favorite Pargo spots, and it's a beach fishing area. We really don't come down here with the boat at all. And basically we're gonna try casting long rods here and then maybe some bass gear here as well. Casting the Shimano Waxwing. Getting a little tap. Oh, cut me off. Wow. That's 30-pound test. Gonna go to a small bait casting rod. This is a lot of fun. Use this little Yozuri, and I've had tremendous success with these here. Fish on! Fish on! Bigger, stronger, and much more antler. Setting up to get out again. We really need to get some bigger, more quality fish. We've had some good fish, but nothing spectacular. Okay, I'm hooked up to probably the biggest Dorado I've ever hooked in my life, and we're going to try to get this thing landed. I'm going to So Pete's getting ready to do some fillet work here. You can see the triggerfish in the background and the Mexican bonito that's going to be lunch for us. In the meantime, this Dorado, which he is now holding up so that you can see it better, turned out to be, looks like a little over 28 pounds, which is a very nice fish. Really wonderful. This is why we come down here.
Oh, yes. Okay, so Jeff's hooked up this morning. We've got some kind of stormy weather around us, but we're trying to get a shot in before we're forced to go back in. We don't know yet what he's got. It's kind of a weird fight. Mostly we've been getting tuna, or little bonita and black skipjack tuna. So this doesn't quite seem to be fitting that mode. Just seems different. Oh, it's a black skipjack. Oops, sorry about that. Had to swing the camera away. Okay. This is Jeff hooked up again. Not quite sure if we've got black skipjack or Mexican bonita. Looks like I thought I saw the black tail of a Mexican bonita, but it went by pretty quick. Black skipjack, unfortunately. So it's time for us to head in for the moment. Prudent safety. This is a storm that's on shore. It's kind of to the west of us, but nevertheless, we're not going to wait for it to be striking lightning while we're on the water. And behind us is all this. It's pretty dark too. So anyhow, trying to do the right thing here. See what I got here. Oh, it's a big needle. Big needle.
This is the island here. You can see it offshore, several miles out from camp. We've got, if you'll look in the water here, this dark patch, and you see the little flashes in there. These are green jack. They are tightly together, feeding on little, I don't know, shrimps and critters and such. They are not really a fish that we seek, but indication of life out here in the Sea of Cortez. Looks like I've got a little more of the bigger fish here.
Nice.
Always nice to get a double on these guys.
And those are the good eating size right there.
Yeah, they are.
All right, looks like Jeff's hooked up. Like Dorado. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Got that on video. Yours is right to your right, but I think you want to focus on your bite. So green. Little female. Female. I'm gonna... There you go. Got that too. Pulling us around.
Yeah, spinning the boat. All set.
And just gently when you're slowly ready to get the head above water. Just barely at the surface. There you go.
Coming your way now. Nice.
I think that one's good.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Here we go. Okay.
Hey! Boom!
Sorry. We need to spin that around to the sun a little. Here, hand me this.
Do you want your hooks out?
So there's
The fish.
not real big, but still good.
Missed it. No, I didn't miss that one. Woo! Yeah. So we're all hooked up with Dorado again, second time today. Didn't get a good look. I think it's a bull. Yeah, it is. Good, good. I'm slacking line. Hold on. Quickly pull out these up so I can get some big picks. Let's go in the bag.
Okay, sorry about any wind noise, but Dorado are known for eating pretty much anything they can get their mouths around. They are ravenous, eat everything critters. Look at what Pete just found in the belly of the fish that he caught this morning. That is the craziest shrimp thing. So, yeah, there's your biology lesson. Pete and I got a double hookup. This is mine. It's gonna go back here as soon as I pick it up off the floor of the boat. Pete got this. Mine's called a Ribera Cabrilla. This is a flag cabrilla. So known because it's got the colors of the flag.
Beautiful fish.
The Mexican flag. Remember, we're not in the United States. So red, black, white, green, there you go. All right, let's get my Ribera out of here. Come on, kid.
Jeff's hooked up. We don't know what it is yet. Haven't got a chance to get a look at it. Looks like it's gonna be lunch. Love it. That is our lunch. We are not kidding. We have just been looking for this for lunch. So he's gonna let that wear out. I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna eat it.
Hello. Hi. Hi. What's up, bro?